Welcome to your dream home on a budget. A beautiful home is a source of comfort and joy. It's a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel good, but you don't need a big budget to create a home you love. With a little creativity and some smart planning, you can transform your space into something truly special. Don't let budget constraints hold you back from making your home beautiful. There are plenty of ways to create a stylish and inviting space without spending a fortune. The key is to be resourceful, prioritize your spending, and focus on creating a space that truly reflects your personal style. Remember, decorating your home should be a fun and rewarding experience. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and let your personality shine through. By focusing on what you love and making smart choices, you can create a home that is both beautiful and affordable.
Now, let's talk about setting the stage with choosing a timeless theme. Before you start shopping or DIYing, take some time to think about the overall look and feel you want to create. Choosing a timeless theme for your home will help you create a cohesive look that you'll love for years to come. It also makes it easier to choose furniture and decor that will work well together. Consider your personal style. Do you prefer a modern, minimalist aesthetic? Or are you drawn to a more traditional, cozy feel? Once you have a general idea of the style you want to create, you can start to narrow down your color palette and choose key pieces of furniture that will set the tone for the entire space. Remember, your home should reflect your unique personality and taste. Choose a theme that speaks to you and makes you feel comfortable and happy. Moving on to smart shopping, finding treasures without spending a fortune. Decorating on a budget requires a savvy approach to shopping. You don't need to break the bank to find beautiful and unique pieces for your home. Start by exploring local thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces. These are great places to find hidden gems at a fraction of the retail price. Don't be afraid to haggle with sellers, especially at flea markets and antique stores. You can often negotiate a lower price, especially if you're buying multiple items. When shopping online, look for discounts and sales, and consider buying used or refurbished items. Remember, patience is key when it comes to bargain hunting. It may take some time to find the perfect pieces, but the thrill of the hunt and the satisfaction of finding a great deal make it all worthwhile. Section 4. DIY Delights. Simple projects for maximum impact. DIY projects are a fantastic way to personalize your space and add a touch of creativity without spending a lot of money. You don't need to be a skilled craftsperson to tackle some simple and impactful DIY projects. Start by upcycling old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or new hardware. Create your own artwork using inexpensive materials like canvas, paint, and fabric. You can also try your hand at simple sewing projects, like making throw pillows or curtains. There are countless online resources and tutorials available to guide you through various DIY projects. Remember, the goal is to create something unique and personal that reflects your style. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. The imperfections and personal touches are what make DIY projects so special. Section 5. Multi-purpose magic, making your furniture work harder. When you're decorating on a budget, it's important to make the most of every piece of furniture. Choose pieces that can serve multiple purposes, like a storage ottoman that doubles as a coffee table or a daybed that can be used as a guest bed. Look for furniture with built-in storage, such as beds with drawers or ottomans with hidden compartments. This will help you maximize space and keep your home organized. Consider investing in convertible furniture, like a sofa bed or a dining table that can be extended to accommodate larger gatherings. Remember, functionality is key when you're trying to make the most of your budget. Choosing furniture that serves multiple purposes will help you save money and create a more versatile living space. Section 6. Small space, big style, maximizing every inch. Small spaces can be just as stylish and functional as larger ones with a little planning and creativity. The key is to maximize every inch of space and choose furniture and decor that create an illusion of spaciousness. Start by using light and bright colors on the walls and floors to make the space feel larger. Choose furniture with a small footprint, like a love seat instead of a full-size sofa or a slim console table instead of a bulky sideboard. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves and hanging artwork to draw the eye upward. Mirrors are also a great way to create the illusion of more space by reflecting light and making the room appear larger. Remember, A small space doesn't have to feel cramped or cluttered. With some clever design choices and strategic furniture placement, you can create a stylish and functional home that feels much larger than it actually is. Section 7. The joy of a personalized space. Creating a home you love doesn't have to require a large budget. With some creativity, resourcefulness, and a little DIY magic, you can transform your space into something truly special. Remember, the most important thing is to create a space that reflects your unique personality and makes you feel happy and comfortable. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and let your personal style shine through. Embrace the thrill of the hunt for bargain finds and take pride in the DIY projects that add a personal touch to your home. The process of decorating should be enjoyable, and the end result should be a space that brings you joy and satisfaction.